Just picked up the Ego 21-inch cordless mower. This is the non self-powered or whatever version. I cracked it open, pulled it out, and just to get to the battery and the charger. I took that inside, it's like half full, and I want to see how long it takes to build. I also got the weed eater leaf blower combo too. We'll put that together next. Yep, let's see how long it takes us. So this is pretty crazy. Like literally all you do is you grab a hold of this and it folds over. That's how it was stored. Just flip it back over here. Put it at the height that you want it to be at. You got these two C clamps on either side. It's got a telescoping handle. That's it. It took me like 60 seconds. Now I haven't put on the mulcher bag or the sprayer. That'll take a few minutes more figuring all that out, but that's it. That's all you got to do. It took like 2 minutes, maybe 5 minutes, going from opening the box, plugging the charger in, and yeah, nice clean mower. So that's it. You just lift up the back side, install that chute off to the side there. We're doing that because it's the first mow of the season. It's kind of heavy, it's kind of deep. We are going to be adjusting this all the way up, and then right here is where the battery goes. You just kind of slide it right in there. Boom. Power on. Let's go.